What's up YouTube, it's your boy Dion back again with another video. So today we're simply just going to be making a beat for Wizkid for his new album, More Love, Less Ego. So on that album there's a lot of chilled songs, you know, jazz inspired songs. Please pardon my voice, I kind of have a flu. So the first thing I came in with is this Rhodes from Lounge Lizard. So it plays these chords in G sharp minor, and these are all 7th notes, which give it that jazzy kind of feel to it. And 7th notes are simply just triads with an extra note, and that note is the 7th note in a scale. For instance, this one, this is the 7th note. Let me just delete it. So this is a simple triad, which is a major triad actually, but if I put it back, then it becomes a 7th chord. So it's a major 7th chord. As you can see, the velocities are pretty down. This just makes it a little bit more smoother. So for the effects, I simply have this. The first thing is a EQ and then a cymatic origin plugin, and all it does is actually just decreasing the sample rate, and it's adding a little bit of vinyl, about 3% vinyl noise. So it sounds like this. So I actually routed it to this track, and on this track what I simply am going to do, this is actually, I'm going to rename it. It's actually the melody bus. Just name it. Okay. So on this melody bus, all I have is another cymatic origin plugin. This just gives it that vintage vibe we're going for, and this is a different preset, of course. So it now sounds like this. Yeah, pretty vibey. The next thing I came in with is this guitar one shot. So this guitar one shot simply just plays this. Yeah, so next up I came in with this burning brass from Triton, and it plays this simple pattern. So what makes this pattern realistic is the velocities. They are pretty not the same, and then as you can see, most of the notes are actually a little bit off the grid. This is just to give it the swing we're going for. Sounds like this. Next thing I came in with is these stereo strings, and they sound like this. And as you can see, the notes are overlapping. This is just so as to make it a little bit more smoother, because it kind of had a stabby effect at the beginning, which I didn't like. So the next thing I added was this layered mallet. This just plays at some part of the beat just to create variation. So next thing, let's start with the drums. So first of all, I have this shaker. Yeah, then I added another shaker. This one comes in with a little bit more realistic vibe to it. Sounds like this. Yeah, pretty vibey. So then I added the main percussion, let me say. So first of all, there's this perk, and then this one as well, and then this conga, and then another conga as well. Sounds like this. And to get that vibe, as you can see, the velocities are very important to getting that vibe. And then came out this kick, and you know, it's pretty spaced out, you know, just to match the whole vibe. And I have the swing pretty much high up. So the next thing I then added was some extra percussion. So the first perk sounds like this, and then the other sounds like on this other percussion I added a little bit of shift just to give it a little bit more swing. Here at the end I added a snare, and then I added another perk which gave it this kind of roll effect. So the next thing I came in with is the bass. The first button plays this. And then I have second button which is a little bit more busy. And then lastly, I then added this saxophone loop I found on the internet. So it's in C minor, so we pitch it down about 5 semitones just to get it to the right key as the beat. So it already had the effects, so I didn't actually have to add any effects on it, rather than just chop it up and then I actually lowered the volume. Simply it. So I made an easy arrangement, took some things out and then added some things such as the crash and the rolls, and that's simply it, guys. So please like, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. And if you would want this FLP, just hit me up on my Instagram or send me an email, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.